whatever you want to do. Now, if we're gonna do a part on this side, because I like to cover this, because I got a lazy eye here.
Okay, I got you. Okay. What do you think of your new look? This topper half wig is just custom made exactly for her, and it covers where she needs it to cover. Even though she has a lot of hair, this hair unit works for her, and it can work for you too. Listen, everybody, thank you so much for joining me. I know I don't have any makeup on because tomorrow is my birthday, and my daughter is going to give me a transformation makeover, and I want you guys to tune in for that video. I'm excited, she's excited, because I've never had anyone to do my makeup or my hair before. So we're going to see. I'm looking forward to it, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Before you leave, if you have not done so already, please subscribe, like, most of all hit that notification bell so you will always know when I am working my magic. You want to say bye, Sharon?
Bye.
Take care, everybody. I'll see you again soon.